Hello. So I keep getting requests on how do I do my hair. So this is from yesterday. So I am going to first part it, and I'm going to show you exactly what I do. And I can link this exact curling iron below, or if you ask me, I can link it so you guys can get the same exact one. It's a really good one. I got it from my salon when I was living in South Florida. So you just grab it. You don't want to go all the way to the top, but not all the way to the end either, so that way it kind of has that wavy, kind of messy, not totally like ringlet curl look. And then like that's kind of a ringlet curl. Not a good example. I'm trying to do this with my phone. Let's try it again. And I like to also kind of do it where there's a better one. That one. Where's it at? Where you at, little guy? So I like to also do it where it is, you know, one I curl under and one I curl out. That way you kind of have a little bit more dimension going on in your hair. So let me do this side real quick. And then bam. So I'm having a hard time seeing exactly what I'm doing because my phone is like cutting off. But anyways, you can even hold it like this and curl out, which works well for me on this side because I feel a little bit awkward because I'm right-handed. It just feels different doing this side. But that was a real good one. And you kind of run your fingers through it afterwards. And then I'll grab these back pieces and also do it right here. So I'll put the link in my bio so you guys can grab this if it's something you're wanting. And then I'll also link this in like my Facebook group and there as well. So if you're in my Facebook VIP group where you see this, I can drop it in the comment section. I don't like how this one turned out, so I'm going to redo it. But yeah, you don't want to curl it all the way through because then you get the more of the wave look, a little bit looser curls. Whereas if you go around again, it's going to make it a little bit more of a tighter curl, which is not the look I'm going for. If you like that look, you totally can do that. But personally, for me, I can't see what I'm doing. I need my mirror. Personally, I like mine to be a little bit looser. And that's what I do. And I do this all the way through my hair, sectioning it little by little. And I'll go ahead and section out this part. Oh, man, you guys, I went to the gym this morning to do boot camp, and I didn't put deodorant on. I felt like something was different a little bit throughout my workout, and I wasn't sure why my underarms felt different. And then it dawned on me, actually, I don't think you put deodorant on. And I did not. And so that was a blast. And I was like paranoid. Oops, let me put this back down because my hair gets caught in it. I was so paranoid that people were going to smell me. But actually, it wasn't near as bad as I was thinking it could have been. So I guess I don't stink that bad after all without deodorant. And so you will see that these will look like ringlets a little bit, but honestly, it's going to loosen up. Like yesterday, I did my hair right after washing it, and then I had that real pretty volume, but it kind of fell out from sleeping on it. But now that I'm doing my hair again, it'll probably last really well tomorrow because it's 1 day old hair. So always love doing my hair when it's a little bit dirty. It's not just freshly washed because it's more manageable and the curls stay a lot better. It just works out real good. All right, so I'm just going to do this all over and I'll show you guys the finished look. I'll fast forward this video so that way I don't bore the living daylights out of you. Which it looks like I've already been talking for 5 minutes, but... Okay, so that's pretty much it. I mean, I'll go through the back where I need to check and see how the back pieces are holding up. If I don't like how some of these are lying, sometimes I may go back through them to try to maybe flatten that overly curly area, or just play with it until I get it to place how I like it. And then of course back here I didn't get very good, so I'll grab some pieces back there, and then that is literally it. And it's so much faster when you are working with like 1 day old hair. Like yesterday I had to go through it a few times to hold the curl because it was just newly washed or fresh. I don't know how you want to word it. And today it's just like holding those curls so well and so easily with little effort. So that's it. I will link this to my Amazon store probably. You can click the link in my bio to find it. I love this curling wand, and it's 1 1/4. That's the size. So pretty awesome. All right, you guys have a good day.